I will dodge rain. You hear me right? I'm going to dodge rain. Yes. So I've been trying to do this challenge for long, but since the rain is falling, I'm going to like to dodge the rain. Okay, so let's go. I'm gonna dodge the rain. It's raining right now. I'm gonna try to dodge it. So let's go. I'm trying my best to dodge this rain. Every time I try, they keep touching me. Stay away. I'm going to try to dodge every possible rain. Or should I try and count it? No, I'm going to try my best to dodge it. People are breathing very fast. I'm trying everything possible just to entertain you guys. So like and subscribe, okay? Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. You think I'm lying? It's raining. Okay, wait. Let me show you. Okay, I have another idea. How about I strip myself off so I can try to dodge the rains? Okay? Let me strip myself off. Okay. Alright. Let's go. It's raining right now. So, remember, any touch or rain that touches me, I'm gonna have to scream because it's like a sunburn. No, sorry, it's like an acid. So let's ask you. The rain is like an acid. Ow! No! Stop! Right now, my body's wet. Oh, I'm wet. Okay, I give up, man. We can't dodge rain, no matter what. Dodge the rain, but every time I try, it keeps pouring on me. Nobody can dodge rain, boy. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button right now.